Okay, next is the main course. We've got some sort of shredded lamb shoulder. We're taking the whole lamb and sort of shredded it down and then crisped it up. I've got some harissa fava beans made of our own harissa. Some baba ganoush, some spice mix to go with the lamb, some nice olive oil to dress the salad, sort of like an almondy gremolata type thing, and some tahini. Okay, first up, the oven's on about 180. I'm going to put my lamb in my tray, toss my spice mix over it, a little mixer, and then just drop that in the oven for till it's hot. Okay, next, fava beans in the pan. I'm going to pop that on, sort of a medium heat. So, put my salad in a bowl ready for tossing in the olive oil. Okay, so this is nice and hot now, nice and bubbling. Just going to turn that right onto low. And I think we can probably start plating. Good if you wanted to warm up the baba ganoush, but I don't really want to. Okay, so just going to do a nice big well in the middle. And we'll get our crispy lamb. And then we're just going to man that all up in the middle. Okay, so the lamb's on there, nicely piled up. Now I think we'll dress the salad just with this really nice olive oil. Really simple. Sort of lean that up on one side. And then I think the tahini. Just sort of flop around. And then we can shake our gremolata out. And a little sprinkle of that one.